Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And today the trailer that we're gonna watch is Janaka Athe Ganaka. So let's just watch it.
కానీ నాకు ఇప్పటికి వండర్ అనిపిస్తుందిరా. పిల్లలు
So
వద్దని
wonder
చెప్పి
how to
పెళ్ళానికి ఏం చెప్పి మేనేజ్ చేసావురా?
like no children at all. That's
నువ్వు
all.
చెప్తావు పర్సనల్, కానీ నేను చెప్పాలి పబ్లిక్.
ఎప్పట్లైనా పిల్ల పుట్టాలని ముక్కున్నావా? తినొచ్చు, ఆగు.
నేను ఒక డెసిషన్ తీసుకున్నా.
నేను లైట్ తీసుకున్నాను.
Ignore it. Okay, to have kids. He's
ఏదేమైనా
putting it
సరే
off.
ఈ రోజు నా డెసిషన్ ఫైనల్.
ఏంటి అరుస్తున్నావు? తిన్నావా?
ఎంత తిన్నాడు?
నీ వయసుకి వాడితో ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ ఏంట్రా?
ఇంతకంటే వయసు గ్యాప్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు పెళ్లి చేసుకోక దిక్కులేదు, ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ చేస్తేనే ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చిందా?
Okay, she's
ఇంకోసారి
pregnant.
రిపేర్ వచ్చిందనుకో, ముందు బట్టలు ఉతికిస్తా, ఆ తర్వాత రిపేర్ చేయి.
I'll make you wash clothes first and then repair the machine. Okay, so he's a machine fixer guy,
ఓకే, ఫ్యామిలీ ప్లానింగ్ అంత ఈజీ కాదు.
but family planning is not an easy task.
దగ్గరుండి చేయించడానికి అది హోమం కాదే.
మీ కాలంలో సిగ్గు ఎగ్గు లేకుండా 10 మంది
How could a generation be so shameless? 10 kids.
ఎలా కనేసేవాళ్ళే?
మాకు వేరే పని ఉండేది కాదులే.
ఛీ! పిల్లలంటే ఖర్చు కోటి.
It would cost us over 1 crore rupees to raise children. Is that so? 1 crore? Maybe.
పైనే
The place where they
పిల్లల
live.
విషయంలో ఇలా ఆలోచించడం తప్పు.
నీ కష్టాలు పగవాడి కూడా రాకూడదురా.
So they don't want to have children at all. Means
ఏంటిది
no children.
పెర్రేవా? ఏం సినిమా ఎక్కించాలి?
ప్రెగ్నెన్సీ టెస్ట్ చేసుకున్నాను.
Ah.
అయితే
నేను నెల తప్పాను.
ఈసారి తప్పకు.
Okay, so this dude was delaying. I think he was delaying. Let's hold on for a minute and let me have the resources. I guess 1 crore is the amount, is the figure that he introduced. So he was waiting for him to get somewhere around 1 crore before he tries. And now the situation is in front of him where it's happening. You believe it or not. Okay. And now he's shocked, like what I'm gonna do. Okay.
ఇది పని చేయట్లేదు.
Enjoy.
ఏంటి?
అదే కేసు.
Okay, he's gonna sue
Your Honor,
the brand,
వాళ్ళది పని
the
చేయట్లేదు.
company.
మాది బాగానే పనిచేస్తుంది.
ఇప్పుడు క్లారిటీ వచ్చింది, మొదలు పెట్టండి.
ఇలాంటి
జనక
కేసు
అక్కే
ఎవడైనా
గాంధీ.
పెడతాడా? అయినా ఇలాంటి వాడిని కాదు. వీడికి పెళ్లి చేశాడు చూడు, వీళ్ళ నాన్న అనాలి.
నాన్నకేం సంబంధం అమ్మా?
Somebody needs to tell me what does the trailer, like what does the title means. I think it's interesting. Okay, so my take on this movie is it is very interesting movie. The concept of people, it actually goes on to show that how responsible people who have actually got married are being. Like they are assessing their financial situation first before going for the further steps. So this really is I think it's a fun take on the situation that like he asked his grandmother like that how you guys had 10 kids, why so, and she said that we just had so much time. So it was less about the planning stuff and more about the time on the hands of the people. Okay, but this guy's approach towards it is different, and he's clearly getting sabotaged by his entire family's plan to just, I think he wants to delay it. This is what I'm just guessing. Tell me if that's the case. He's just delaying it up until the point that he feels that he can provide, or he feels the family is secure enough. So that is his modern take on the family planning. The modern take is how much you can actually I guess how much you can provide, and he's being a provider in this. It's very sweet of him. It's very thoughtful of him to go on this entire journey with a plan, and he's getting heat from all the places, at the work, at the family, and suddenly he realizes that, oh no, we are having the kid, and now he just wants to sue the company. He just wants to just blame it on something, and he will come around. I think he'll come around to the fact that sometimes you can't plan things. As much as pure heart you have, as much as considerate, or how much you want things to work in a certain way, but sometimes things just happen and you can't control everything. So I think this is a very interesting trailer. I must say, this is very thoughtful, very energetic, and something which really connects to most of the people. And I, for one, loved it. And if you have any suggestions for me to watch some different trailers, so please do tell me in the comment section below. I hope you liked my reaction, and if you do so, then please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.